The Cat and the Rat. The cat and the rat hate each other. Enemies can be like this. They have nothing in common, and they will never be best friends. The cat's fur is golden and soft. The rat's fur is brown and rough. Enemies can be like this, and they will never be best friends. One day, their paths crossed. Their eyes met and they glared angrily at each other. Enemies can be like this, and they will never be best friends. And then the chase began. Over the chair, under the table, and "Oh no! I got you!" squealed the cat. "Please, please, please, don't eat me!" begged the rat. Enemies can be like this, and they will never be best friends. "What's your name?" asked the cat. "Kate," said the rat. "What's your name?" My name is also Kate," said the cat, surprised. "What? Kate? How do you spell Kate?" asked the rat. "Kate," said the cat. "The same spelling too?" asked the rat. They sat there thinking for a minute. How amazingly strange the situation was. How could two opposite animals have the same name? Is there anything else they could possibly have in common? Maybe enemies can be like this, and maybe they could be best friends. "Want to play chase?" asked Kate the cat. "Sure, I love that game," replied Kate the rat. "On your marks, get set, go!" squealed Kate the cat. And they ran, and they jumped, and they laughed, and they played some more. And they became best friends forever. The end.